Hey everyone, Larissa with Kintone Customer Success here, and today we'll be reviewing installing plugins and adding them to your applications. So a plugin is a software module that you can install into an app to enhance its capabilities. Users can only use plugins that are installed by their Kintone administrators. So to enable the use of a plugin, the following steps are required. First, the plugin must be installed by the Kintone administrator into the Kintone platform. And then secondly, the plugin must be added to the application. So the second step is performed by each app's individual app administrator. So let's review how to install a plugin. So a plugin will be installed into Kintone by importing the file. You can find our available plugins on the add-ons page of our website. So from the gear wheel, you'll click Kintone Administration, and then Other under, you're going to click Plugins. And then here you can view a list of the available plugins you've already previously imported. So for a new plugin, we'll click Import. And then we'll browse. Today we're going to be importing the box plugin. And then Import. So do make sure you're only importing files from a trustworthy provider. The plugins in the zip format can be directly imported, and then the files can be up to 100 megabytes. So now we'll review how to put this plugin into one of your applications. So you'll go into one of your apps, click the gear wheel to go to your app settings, click the app settings tab, and then click plugins. So if you see here, I've already previously imported a plugin to this app. So for a new one, you'll click New, and then this just gives you a list of the other available plugins you already have installed. So we'll click Box for Kintone, and then Add. So to change the settings for the plugin, you'll click this little Change Settings wheel, and it'll take you to the settings for the plugin. And to delete, you'll click the little delete icon over here. So you can find our available plugins on the add-ons page of our website. Please know, support is only provided for plugins listed on this web page. Inquiries for other plugins will be directed to the Kintone Developer Network. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email support@kintone.com. And thanks for watching.